Hello guys, welcome to Free Shiksha. Today we are going to uh, understand how van der Waals forces help us determine the boiling point of different compounds or elements. So the problem at hand is arrange the following order of decreasing boiling points. Here we have ammonia, that is NH3, helium, argon and lithium fluoride, LiF. Okay, so before we solve this problem, we need to know what are the forces that exist in a solution. In the previous video, we had also studied about the Van der Waals forces. So this problem is related to that only. So order of forces we must know. So the highest force, the maximum force which is there is in ion-ion bonds. It was not covered in the previous video, so I need to tell you what is ion-ion bonds. What happens is in a solution a compound breaks up into two types of ion, positive and negative ions. For example, lithium fluoride, since fluorine is highly electronegative and lithium is highly electropositive, so both the bonds break inside the solution and they wander around like as actually they as ions, as proper ions, and then they get attractive because the ions are formed. So these are the ion-ion bonds, and these are the strongest bonds among these types of forces. Then are the hydrogen bonds, which are formed when hydrogen is in a solution. If nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine are close to it, then hydrogen bonds are significant. And then there are London forces that we had explained in the previous video, which happen because of the which happen for very small time and exist because of the movement of electrons. So to answer this problem, we know that lithium fluoride has ion-ion bonding, and none other of these compounds or elements have ion-ion bonding. So only lithium fluoride has the ion-ion bonding, so we can directly say that lithium fluoride will have the maximum boiling point, right? Now the second point which is significant is because nitrogen is attached to H3, and this compound is going to be a very polar compound, because as we told earlier, hydrogen bonding exists when it is attached, or nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine are close by. So in this because this compound is polar, there will be a partial positive charge on hydrogen, partial negative charge on nitrogen, and hence hydrogen bonding will exist. And we know that hydrogen bonding comes second in the order of strength of forces. And if we go back, so we knew that lithium fluoride has the maximum boiling point, so the second will be NH3, because it has the hydrogen bonding, and helium and argon do not have the hydrogen bonding. So now we have to find out helium and argon. They are noble gases, they will have London forces as discussed in the previous video. But which one will have more London forces, stronger London forces? Argon will have stronger London forces, because argon has more electrons. More the electrons you have, more is the potential to form stronger partial negative and positive charges. So if the electrons are more, London forces are stronger. Hence helium will have lower boiling point than that of argon, since argon has more electrons, hence stronger London forces. So what happens is, when the forces are stronger, they keep attached, and even if you give them heat, give them energy, those bonds do not break, and those bonds break if you give more energy. So that is why more energy is required, and when more energy is required, boiling point increases. So hence we can write the order of boiling points now. Lithium fluoride being the first has the maximum boiling point, NH3 second, argon third, and helium has the least boiling point. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Like this video. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. All the best.